So let's start it, guys. We will continue the last lesson. So as I mentioned, we will delete. I think I will keep the confirm. I will keep all this, but I will start working on this and this. Okay, so we have this one first. This is all group. I don't want any all group. We want to start connect pieces with other pieces, or a layer with other layer. Okay, so let's check what we have here. We have here the columns. So usually the columns must, yeah, so I think both can be this one. No, this one will connect with the with this. So let's see where this. Okay, so this first we have the wall, so we connect it to the wall with the columns. So wall with the columns, this will be our first wall with the columns. So let's do this one, group. Yeah, so I think all to group, this is not what we want, or maybe really this is what we want. Maybe we can connect all to the columns. So all this will be connected to the columns. I think this is better. No need to connect this with this and this with this and all this stuff. I think this will do. Let's check if I do this. Let's see this all to columns, maybe something like this, and this will be all to columns. Okay, so let's see first if it. Okay, I think it's worked nice. Yeah, I think it worked just fine. Maybe also we can I don't think we need to connect anything else to anything else, because everything is just connected with the columns, so it just looks nice. Okay, but feel free to explore what do you see it's better. So let's connect this one here, and also I will increase the velocity to 30 to have a very strong impact. And let's hit play. And okay, so let's check what we have. Of course, don't forget to save it to the disk and reload it again. So let's see what we have here. So I start to crack before anything happens, so I think we need to work a little more on this, on all this. Maybe I'll make it like 5,500. Of course, I will have to save to disk one more time. Okay, reload. Let's check what we have again. Okay, so let's check. So as we can see, the problem is in the slabs or in the roof itself. I think this is the only thing that we should increase. It's we should increase it, right? Yeah, it needs to have more constraints, so let's do this. I think this is the slab. Yeah, here is the slab, here is the slab, as we can see. Constraint, maybe we can just, this will be the slab. Okay, so maybe we can increase it to 1000, or we can increase its we can increase it like this. RBD constraint, constraint properties here, sampling ratio, rotation, not exactly. So let's check this. So as we can see now, the roof or the slabs become very strong after I increase it. Maybe I will decrease it a little more because I don't want it to be very tough like this. It's almost unbreakable. So maybe I will just make it like 6,000 or something, like 6,000 or something, and I will check it and I will back to you. Yeah, so another way is just simply increase the particle, or increase the stones or the seeds or the chunk or the fracture. So we'll have lots and lots of constraint, so it will be much stronger. Okay, so we will not going to have to increase it much more. Maybe I will make it something like 30. Of course I have to yeah, I'll make it 50. Okay, I think it will do. So let's simply save it here, save the disk, and I will back to you after it finish. Okay, so maybe also I will make another RBD constraint from rules. Another one, maybe I'll make it here. Maybe another one, yeah, maybe here. This is called the beam, so I will make it group to group. I will choose the beam and I will choose slabs. Yes, as we can see now, maybe it give it more strength. I will name it beams, slabs. Okay. So also I will give it search radius. Maybe we can increase the search radius more. Maybe something like this. Okay. RBD constraint properties. Let's put it here, and let's choose beam slabs. I will make it like blue or something. Yeah, it will be just maybe 2000. Blue, okay. Now let's save it. Reload. Okay, so after many tests, I honestly What had changed was only the beams, okay, because this is the weakest part that's always fall down, okay. So I increase it to 2000. Of course, you always can know from the test which part is falling before the impact, so you have to make it more strong, okay. And the slabs was also falling quickly before even the impact because of the weight. The constraint cannot fold it, so it fall down. So I increase it to 3000, okay. And also I deleted the unused constraint. I think it's almost the same thing. I added you can add here more constraint, more groups if you want, okay. So I added beams and columns, as we can see here, to make it a little stronger, and I decrease it to 400, so it will fold. So let's make a test like this. Make a flip book. Okay. So let's check it, guys. Yeah, as we can see, still it didn't fall apart. So maybe we have a solution for this, okay. Maybe if we go to the RBD constraint rules, we can choose enable in box, and then we can simply start it to what the hell is going on here. Oh, I closed it. Okay, no problem. Okay. Channel, okay. Sorry about that. So what we were saying, yes, we have this one. Oh, okay. So let's check this one, and let's make it like this, and like this. Can make things much easier. Also, yes, and like this. So as we can see, it back everything as it was, right? So now we can control it. Maybe after 25, maybe 40. We'll make a size center, and we will bring it down like this. Size and center too. Okay. So let's save it. Save to disk. So let's check, guys. Looks good. Of course, we remove all the constraint box. That's why it's collapsed like this. Okay. We have some new few frames fall down before it's hit, but it's okay. I think you got the idea now. And to see the setup, Yeah, here is the keyframe. Here you can see it, then move like this. So we're not going to have any constraint here except the original constraint, which is very weak, so it collapsed by the weight. It cut off by the weight, okay, because of the weight of the building. Yeah.